I have a lot of questions, like always. Setting up standard versus expectation. So sourcing VA, a lot of sellers, when they start hiring a VA, they would ask how many deals should a VA start sourcing, right? Be 8 to 10 deals. And then what happens if they don't meet it, or how would you set up the baseline standard for them to meet it, and what classify as an expectation and what classify as a standard that people would abide to it?
There's very few jobs that you can do that you're an expert after 2 weeks. Apart from stacking shelves in Tesco, what I would say is that if there's an expectation that a VA is going to be an expert in something that's very difficult, takes a lot of time to learn, and ultimately there's a lot to learn through experience.